Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how to secure your crypto wallet from hackers. First, always use a strong, unique password for your wallet. Then enable two-factor authentication wherever it's available. Then never share your wallet's seed phrase or private keys with anyone, even if they claim to be a customer support. Then store your seed phrase offline in a secure location rather than saving it in a cloud storage or screenshots. Then keep your wallet app and device updated with latest security patches. Before approving any transaction, carefully verify the wallet address and website you're using. Then only download wallet apps from official app stores or the wallet provider's official website. Then finally, be cautious of phishing emails, fake websites, and unsolicited messages asking for your wallet information. So that was how to better secure your crypto wallet from hackers. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.